in this video, I'll be showing you how a lot of Jamaicans, okay, I can't speak for everybody, but I would say most Jamaicans um, spend their Easter or celebrate Easter. So I'll just give you a brief idea of how, at least how I spent Easter. So Easter, I would go to church. Well, not all the time. I would go to church, right? And as I said, like in previous video, that the church is in use, so it's not necessarily the building. But like growing up around, when it gets to like 3 o'clock, we would be put to sleep as children, and like around that time, we kind of reverence the 3 o'clock time. Yeah, so hours. So then, yeah, we would sleep, and then after that and we would at that time when I was much younger, even up until now, I practice like I don't prepare meat on um, Good Friday, and I have like fish or breadfruit, or festival with fish with festival or fish with breadfruit or bread. And what else? Also bun and cheese. So I'm gonna show you a bit of how I go about preparing then, and then I'll leave links to some of the videos that are related to Easter and how Jamaicans do it, celebrate Easter. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and comment down below, and subscribe if you have not. Happy Easter. So guys, I leave a link of videos that I have already made. Fry fish. Okay, I'll leave it in the description area below. So if you want to know how I fry my fish, season and all clean, I'll leave a link in the description area of this video. So I'm preparing for Easter. Happy Easter all. Scratch and batch, almost done. I'm gonna escovite this fish. Add it to that. Now it's time to make the escovite sauce, guys, with vinegar, a little bit of sugar, pepper, carrot, onion, and so forth. So guys, the escovite sauce is on its way. Onion, white onion, scotch bonnet pepper, allspice, pimento seed, carrot. But as I said, I'll download the link where I made escovite fish in videos before this one. Okay, so if you want the recipe, I'll put it in the description area, the link. Happy Easter, everyone. And may the Lord continue to provide for you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. So guys, this is the breadfruit that I bought up from Jamaica. And this breadfruit was done on the coal stove. Okay, it's not like in the oven the way it's done in Canada, on a coal stove. Cut it. It better be a good breadfruit. Better be good. Because it was in the fridge, it's probably a bit hard. Or maybe I should peel it first then. Peel it. Done. So guys, look at my hands. Look at my hands, but this looks like a nice breadfruit. This is what happened when the breadfruit is done on the coal stove, guys. Look at my hands. Now I'm gonna have to wash it. So let me try and wash it and peel this breadfruit. So guys, I'm trying my best to peel this breadfruit, and I tasted it. It's a really nice breadfruit. Done on the coal stove, which is why there's so much blackness all over my breadfruit. Straight from Jamaica. But it's a good eating breadfruit, so you know, but in peeling it, I'm getting it black all over, but I'll clean it off. But I'm just trying to peel it here. You peel it, and then you're gonna cut this piece off the heart. Cut it out. We just finished peeling it. And then this piece, clean it off. When I'm done, I'll wipe my hands and try and get the blackness off. And the blackness doesn't, like, it doesn't. The charcoal, guys, it doesn't hurt because I heard that charcoal is good for you. You know, charcoal is good for the internal. So I think this little piece of charcoal won't hurt. That's on it. I could just fry it the way it is, as well as, you know, you can use paper towel, damp the paper towel and kind of wipe it off. But I don't think it will hurt you because I hear that charcoal is good for you. They're making charcoal soap and all that nowadays. So let me just peel the rest of it, the rest of this, and then I want to try and fry it because this is going down with my fish, my fry fish. So guys, that's the skin. Okay, the charcoal, that's the skin of the breadfruit after I peeled it. And then this is breadfruit, and all you have to do is kind of like, if you know the charcoal part of it, you can just brush it. But I don't think it's harmful, you know, it's not harmful by the time it hits the oil. And so I'm gonna fry this. I'm gonna slice it up and fry it, and I'll also leave a link of the breadfruit that I roasted in my oven in Canada. I'll leave the link in this video. So guys, I won't be frying all of it, but then this piece I want to put it away for another video, and stay tuned for the video that's coming up with this piece, as well as maybe I'll add another small piece to it. Yeah, these two pieces I'm gonna wrap them and put them away for another video. Stay tuned. I won't tell you what I'm making, okay? But stay tuned for those other videos. So I'm gonna fry this up, the breadfruit. So guys, I'm frying the breadfruit to have with the escovitch fish. So guys, you know, that's my Easter bun and cheese, a tin of cheese, the bun I bought in Jamaica while I was away. So, according to Google here, Easter is one of the principal holidays or feast of Christianity. It marks the resurrection of Jesus 3 days after his death by crucifixion. For many Christian churches, Easter is a joyful end to the Lenten season of fasting and penitence. So guys, I don't remember buying a tin of cheese ever. If I had bought it before, then I can't recall. Okay? But if I'm correct, it's the first I purchased a tin of cheese, and normally I would buy slices, but sometimes when you buy the slices, guys, it's better when you buy a whole tin. Okay, because a small piece is like what? Over $10. So then this is a cheese that Jamaicans eat with their bun. Name of the cheese: tasty cheese, pasteurized cheese, processed. Okay, so you open your can of cheese and be careful. There it is, looking good. And then now I'm gonna turn it out. So guys, I don't know if I should have I did the wrong thing when opening this cheese, but I don't want to have to break it. But anyway, let me try and see if I can get it out of this can. It won't come out, so here's what. I'm going to open the other end too, because maybe that's what needs to be done. Both ends. See if I can get this cheese out. Oh, I don't want to break it. I must have done something wrong, guys. Why? I'm having a hard time getting the cheese out. Comment down below and let me know what I should have done to open this can of cheese. Okay. I could cut it open, but I don't want to. I wanted to try and get it out whole. So guys, I didn't get it out perfect, but at least it wasn't too bad. I think they roll the side or do something to get it to open. Comment down below and let me know what I should have done to get it open perfectly. But anyways, I managed to get it out, and there's the cheese. And guys, be careful. This thing is sharp as hell. This cut you, blood would be gushing from your body. So you know, those cans, you be careful. And that's a cheese. I love it. My Jamaican cheese. Mmm. Yummy. Let me open the bun. And that looks good. And that's the National Easter bun I bought in Portmore. So guys, my knife is so cheesy, and I love bun and cheese. So guys, I just want to thank God for, you know, providing for me, and I'm hoping He's also providing for you, and you know, for the less fortunate. And if you were close by, for sure you'd be getting a piece of the bun and cheese, but you're far away, so it's not possible, right? But you know, I'm sure a lot of Jamaicans are having their bun and cheese. Let me put some cheese here, pieces, having their bun and cheese wherever they are. Happy Easter. And sometimes I eat my bun with fish also. And in school, when I used to go to high school, I eat a lot of bun and cheese, the round ones. Same kind of bun, but it's round with cheese in the middle. And let me taste this. So guys, I'm making this video. It's now 2:30, okay, and within the next half an hour or what, 25 minutes, I'm gonna reverence, when it's close to 3 o'clock, just take a break from all my work duties. That's how I do it. If you have kids at home, you have them settle down and you don't go to sleep. Take some rest, because they say that that's the time when Christ is nailed to the cross, or yeah, that kind of thing. So let me taste the bun. Good. Yummy. My last nail just fell off, guys. I don't know how these ladies wear these nails, man. It slows me down. Perfect. So guys, I'm excited. For at least once in my life, I bought a whole tin of cheese. And sometimes it's worth it buying an old tin. And let me show you my fish here later. Fish, escovitch fish. And I taste the fish, so good. I eat fish and bun, cheese and bun. So guys, don't forget to, leave a comment down and let me know how you spent your Easter holiday. And also, I did make a bun, a video, so I'll leave the link also on the video that I made last year, or almost a year ago then, or maybe a year to the exact, making Easter bun. Okay, I'll leave that link in the description here. But this year I didn't make any. This year I purchased, because I was away. So now I'm tasting my fish, my escovitch fish, with a carrot, fish, and the onion, smothered in vinegar with my bread and cheese. It's good. So you guys, you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.